Okay, I am in your mastering account, and I'm going to go into the ebook. I know I understand what you see, but I want to show you what I see too. It's going to take me to where you left off recently, so it's on 18.4 on page 803. And if I go back one page, it should take me to 18.3, page 800. Okay, so let me go back one more, because she mentioned that it is going from 18.4 is not loading. Okay, so on 18.2, I'm just going to go page by page. When I get down to the bottom, that's the end of 18.2. I go to the next one. That takes me to 18.3, page 800, 801, 802. The next page should be 803. And I'm on 803. 804, 805, 806, 807. And then just for safekeeping one more time. 817. I don't understand why the book is like acting up like that. Of course, when I look at it, it's fine, even when I look at it in your account. I will send this into the product team, just because obviously it's happening and you've seen it. I just don't know why. And I'm assuming that when an error like that occurs, you're like kind of just checking it over here so that you can go right to the section that's missing. Like in this case, she was trying to get into 18.4 and just jumped into it this way. It shouldn't happen. I agree with you. I'm not saying that it is. It should. I just don't know why. So I will submit this to tech support. I just wanted you to see what I'm seeing, and I'm trying to figure this out for you. I'll end this now, but I wanted to let you know that I'm looking into it. Thanks.